Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our today's lesson is about professions in Arabic. Professions in Arabic language. Professions names in Arabic language. Let us start. Teacher, muallim. The teacher, muallim. Muallim. In Arabic, muallim. Muallim. The lawyer. The lawyer. Al-mahami. 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 Police. Shurti. Police. Shurti. 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 Shopkeeper. Sahibul Majar. Sahibul Majar. Shopkeeper. Sahibul Majar. Sahibul Majar. Sahibul Majar. The engineer. Al-Muhandis. In Arabic, Al-Muhandis. The engineer. Al-Muhandis. 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 Wrestler. The wrestler. Masari'un. Masari'u. 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 The actor. Mumassilun. The actor. Mumassilun. Mumassilun. Mumassila. Mumassila. Player. Player. La'ibun. La'ibun. La'ib. La'ibun. La'ibun. Carpenter. Najjarun. 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 Carpenter. Najjarun. Najjarun. The doctor. Tabibun. Tabibun. The doctor. Tabibun. 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 Pilot. Pilot. Tayyarun. In Arabic, tayyarun. 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 Al-Mima'urun. The architect. Al-Mima'urun. Al-Mi'marun. Al-Mi'marun. The architect. Al-Mima'urun. The driver. The driver who drives car or bus. As-sa'iqun. 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 Cook. The cook who cook food. Tabakhun. 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 Nurse. Mumarriza. The nurse. Mumarriza. In Arabic we pronounce it Mumarriza. Mumarriza. The judge. Al-Qazi. The judge. Al-Qazi. The judge. Al-Qazi. The judge. Al-Qazi. Al-Qazi. Guys, if you didn't subscribe it, subscribe it please.